slowly, genocidal planning is already going on. Every day, illegal influx from Bangladesh, especially Hindu Bengali, every day come into Tripura. Tripura is surrounded by India, 3/4 of corner. Every day influx come into India, Tripura, India, but there is no any protection. And even there is a poster from the India government. Welcome, Gusvityu. Hey, Gusvityu Sagatam. Welcome, illegal migrants. There is a poster in the Indo-Bangla border. That's interesting. In this juncture, illegal migrants come from Bangladesh every day. Lakhs and lakhs, not thousands. Then we march into Indian Union. Whenever we march, 92% our people today, after 70 years, it's reduced only 20%, only 19%, the native people, not indigenous people. Occupied with all political power, economic power, administrative power, political power, and every day, rape case, murder case, there is no any single justice till today. Whenever we speak out our rights, whenever we speak out against our illegal migrants, that in the government, they will listen to us, we are extremists. First to tell is and arrest us. There is no any justice, no any single justice till today. We fight in Supreme Court, we fight in High Court, we fight every day, but there is no any single justice till today. In this juncture, we able to appeal, we compare to appeal in the Supreme Court after 72 years. We appeal to Supreme Honorable Supreme Court, deport all illegal immigrants from Tripura and set our identity and culture, our survival, and whenever मान to 2 years के पहले 72 साल का पहले ये Tripura, my native place, my native birthplace, name is Tripura. Tripura is a princely state, 185 ruled by king. Tripura is oldest princely state of the world and run by 185 kings. Whenever 1947, 13 August, that times India also not freedom. Before 2 days, India independence gained on 15 August 1947. Before 2 days, 13 August 1947, Tripura treaty with India government. That times, 13 August 1947, Maharani Kanchan Prabha Devi from the people of Tripura, representative president of Tripura, on behalf of Tripura Bharat nation, he treaty with British India. That time we are majority and our total population 5,93%. And during the we marched into Indian Union, that time we have majority and we are our tradition, our culture, everything we have our own ancestral homeland. But after the march, 1947 first we treaty with India. After 2 years, independent India 1947, 1948, 1949, 15 October. On the 15 October 1949, we fully marched into Indian Union with agreement with Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on behalf of India. That then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Home Minister. There is lots of commitment. There is lots of commitment to protection the people of the people and the people of the culture, economic, political, everything. They committed us. But after the march, we have seen